लर्न बाय फन देश के जाने माने उद्योगपति श्री पुरुषोत्तम जी अग्रवाल द्वारा विकसित अद्वितीय प्राथमिक या आधारभूत शिक्षण पद्धति है। वर्षों तक श्री पुरुषोत्तम जी अग्रवाल के नेतृत्व में 150 से अधिक शिक्षाविदों द्वारा गहन शोध एवं अग्रवाल समूह के 2 विद्यालयों में 7,000 से अधिक विद्यार्थियों द्वारा लगातार सफल उपयोग के पश्चात वैज्ञानिक रीति से बेहद उपयोगी सिद्ध साबित हुई। लर्न बाय फन देश की एकमात्र प्राइमरी एजुकेशन प्रणाली है। लर्न बाय फन पद्धति के आधार पर प्रकाशित की गई हैं लर्न बाय फन पाठ्य पुस्तकें। LBF पाठ्य पुस्तकें अपनाने वाले विद्यार्थी इस तकनीक के मुख्य लक्ष्यों हिंदी और अंग्रेजी भाषाओं पर समान अधिकार प्राप्त करने एवं अंक गणित पर महारत हासिल करने को तो प्राप्त करते ही हैं। LBF तकनीक के कारण उनका ब्रिलियंसी लेवल, सामान्य ज्ञान एवं व्यावहारिक ज्ञान भी चमत्कारिक ढंग से बढ़ जाता है। इन सारे धनात्मक परिवर्तनों को विद्यार्थियों के बढ़े हुए आत्मविश्वास स्तर में स्पष्ट महसूस किया जा सकता है। लर्न बाय फन तकनीक में न केवल हिंदी और अंग्रेजी भाषाओं में सहज और तुरंत परस्पर अनुवाद करने में सक्षम करने योग्य समान अधिकार प्राप्त कराने वाले विशेष अध्याय या लेसन्स हैं, बल्कि विद्यार्थी की स्वयं की अभिव्यक्ति और सृजन शक्ति को विकसित कराने को भी सुनिश्चित किया गया है। आइए आज हम चलते हैं लर्न बाय फन पाठ्य पुस्तकें लागू करने वाले एक विद्यालय में चल रही क्लास में। इस क्लास की लाइव रिकॉर्डिंग में आप विद्यार्थियों की भाषाओं, अंक गणित पर जबरदस्त पकड़ को तो महसूस करेंगे ही, साथ ही विद्यार्थियों के आत्मविश्वास एवं स्वयं के विचार किसी भी भाषा में संप्रेषित करने की क्षमता से प्रभावित हुए बिना नहीं रह पाएंगे। यही है प्रभाव लर्न बाय फन पाठ्य पुस्तकों का।
Good morning, children. Good morning, ma'am. How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
You all become smart with LBF?
Yes.
Do you know what is LBF?
LBF is Learn by Fun.
तो आज हम LBF की क्विज करेंगे, ठीक है? Yes? Should I start? Yes. What is LBF?
LBF is Learn by Fun.
Very good. Who is the author of LBF?
Our chairman, Sir Shri Purushottam Ji Agarwal.
Very good. Who inaugurated LBF books?
Swami Avdeshanand Ji Giriji Maharaj.
Very good. How many books are there in all?
There are 143 books.
Very good. And how many Hindi books do we have?
And Hindi Batya Pustak and Hindi Vachan Pustak.
Very good. Now, how many maths books we have?
Max course book, Max workbook.
Very good. What other books do we have of LBF publication?
Total Tangan Chicken drawing book.
Very good. हिंदी वर्णमाला में कितने वर्ण होते हैं? स्टैंडर्ड कुशाग्र?
हिंदी वर्णमाला में 13 स्वर होते हैं.
Very good. और कितने व्यंजन होते हैं?
हिंदी वर्णमाला में 39 व्यंजन होते हैं.
Very good. आप हमें स्वर सुनाएंगे?
आ, ई, उ, री, ए, आई, ओ, अमा.
Very good. आप हमें व्यंजन सुनाइए?
क, ख, ग, घ, अंग, च, छ, ज, झ, ञ, ट, ठ, ड, ढ, ण, प, त, थ, द, ध, न, प, फ, भ, भ, म, य, र, ल, व, श, 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 त्र, ज्ञ, श.
Very good. How many letters are there in alphabet?
26 letters.
Say alphabet.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Very good. आप हमें क की बाराखड़ी सुनाएंगे?
कक्का, किक्की, कुक्कू, केक्कई, कोक्कौ, कंकहा.
Very good. Now tell me the reverse counting from 20 to 1.
20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Very good. What is the shape of this bench?
Bench is a rectangle.
Do you like to eat chapati?
Yes.
What is the shape of chapati?
Chapati is circle.
Very good. Do you like to play carom board?
Yes.
What is the shape of carom board?
Carom board is square.
Very good. How many sides are there in carom board?
Carom board is 4 sides.
Very good. Now tell me, first I will say number in English and you tell me number in Hindi. 4,
4,
7,
7,
11,
11,
15,
15,
20,
20,
25,
25,
4,
4,
12,
12,
20.
20.
Very good. Now say counting from 1 to 20.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Very good. Now tell me the spelling of 11.
ELEVEN 11.
15. Spell-
FIFTEEN 15.
Very good. 11.
ELEVEN 11.
Very good. 20.
TWENTY 20.
Very good. All of you are doing very nice. Now I will ask tables randomly. You have to answer it. Okay? Will you able to answer it? Yes? Okay. 2 ekam,
2.
2 choke,
8.
2 faiza,
10.
pav ekam,
Pow.
pav tiya,
Bona.
pav dasham,
Die.
pav choke,
8.
2 faiza.
2 5 is 10.
Very good. 4 choke,
16.
4 faiza.
20.
Very good. Now Aditya stand up and say table of 4.
4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 60, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40.
Very good. Fiza, you say pav ka pahada.
Pau ekam pau, pau duna ada, pau tia pona, pau choke ek, pau panje sava, pau choke dek, pau satte pone do, pau atte do, pau navam sava do, pau dasam dai.
Very good. Now Priyansi, tell me how many sense organ do we have?
We have 5 sense organs.
Name 3 things in the hospital.
Doctor, nurse and medicine.
Name 3 things in the temple.
God, flower and bell.
Very good. What is the meal called that you take in the morning?
It is called breakfast.
How many days are there in a week?
There are 7 days in a week.
Okay. Days name?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Very good. Now tell me how many months are there in a year?
There are 12 months in a year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Now we will do some translation. Okay? I will say sentence in English and you translate it in Hindi. Now tell me, this board is square.
यह बोर्ड चौकोर है.
Very good. Sit down. My hair is short.
मेरे बाल छोटे हैं.
Very good. Now Navidya, stand up. मैं KG2 में पढ़ता हूँ. Translated in English.
I study in KG2.
Sit down. Very good. मेरे स्कूल का नाम अग्रवाल पब्लिक स्कूल है.
My school's name is Agarwal Public School.
This toy is pink.
ये खिलौना गुलाबी है.
Very good. Now tell me, stand up. My nails are short.
मेरे नाखून छोटे हैं.
Very good. Students, you are in KG2 class, then also you are doing translation very good. Now I will give you some different sentences, okay? Now Janvi, stand up and say, translate in Hindi. Clouds are blue.
बादल नीले हैं.
Very good. I like to see Tom and Jerry cartoon.
मुझे टॉम एंड जेरी कार्टून देखना पसंद है.
Very good. Madam is fat.
मैडम मोटी है.
मैं एक लड़का हूँ. Translate in English.
I am a boy.
Very good. मैं एक लड़की हूँ.
I am a girl.
Very good. My school name is Agarwal Public School. Translate in Hindi.
मेरे स्कूल का नाम अग्रवाल पब्लिक स्कूल है.
How do you come to school, Janvi?
I come to school by bus.
Okay. Priyanshi, stand up and say 3A.
Tibet, R-A-T red, M-A-T mat.
Very good. Now tell me Hindi of mat.
Chatai.
Chatai. Very good. Now Fiza, stand up and say 4 E vowel words.
H-E-N hand, B-E-N pan, T-E-N tan, D-E-N dan.
Very good. Now U vowel words.
S-U-N sun, B-U-N bun, F-U-N fun, G-U-N gun, R-U-N run.
Very good. Now translate this sentence in Hindi. The sun is hot.
सूरज गरम है.
Very good. Now tell me, what is the day today? How many months are there in a year?
There are 10 months in a year.
Very good. How do you come to school?
I come to school by bus.
How many meals do you take in a day?
We get 3 meals in a day.
Very good. Now I will write sentence on the board and you have to read. Who will answer? Yes? Parth, come here and read this sentence. Now read.
A fat cat sat on a mat.
Very good. A fat cat sat on a mat. Now who will translate this sentence in Hindi?
एक मोटी बिल्ली चटाई पर बैठी है.
Very good. Now who will answer? Navidya, come.
I'm not in a box.
Now I am writing another sentence. Siti, come here and read this sentence.
A toy in a box.
Very good. Now Harsi, 1 से 30 तक की गिनती बताएगी.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
वैधानिक चेतावनी। श्री पुरुषोत्तम अग्रवाल लर्न बाय फन पद्धति, लोगो और ट्रेडमार्क के एकमात्र मालिक हैं। सिर्फ उनके द्वारा अधिकृत व्यक्ति, संस्था और कंपनी ही इस लर्न बाय फन पद्धति, लोगो और ट्रेडमार्क का उपयोग कर सकते हैं। अनाधिकृत रूप से उपयोग करना कानूनन दंडनीय अपराध है।
We have all gathered here to have LBF quiz. You know, LBF has made us all smart, or LBF has made us smart. So let us see how smart we are now, okay? What is LBF?
LBF is a step-by-step brilliancy development program.
How many letters are there in English alphabet?
There are 26 letters in English alphabet.
Okay. How many vowels are there?
There are 5 vowels.
Okay, very good. Name the vowels.
A, E, I, O, U.
Which are the vowels in the word camel?
A, E.
Very good. वर्ण किसे कहते हैं?
वर्णमाला के प्रत्येक अक्षर को वर्ण कहते हैं.
Very good. वर्णमाला में कुल कितने वर्ण होते हैं?
वर्णमाला में कुल 52 वर्ण होते हैं.
व्यंजन कितने होते हैं?
व्यंजन 39 होते हैं.
और स्वर कितने होते हैं?
स्वर 13 होते हैं.
वेरी गुड. अतिरिक्त व्यंजन कौन कौन से होते हैं?
अतिरिक्त व्यंजन 2 होते हैं.
और संयुक्त व्यंजन कितने होते हैं?
व्यंजन 4 होते हैं.
कौन से होते हैं संयुक्त व्यंजन?
शत्रज्ञ.
Very good. Yes, children. Now you're doing very nice. Now let us talk something about LBF. Okay. Now, how many books were inaugurated?
143 books were inaugurated.
Yes. Who is the author of LBF?
The author of LBF is Shri Purushottam Agarwal.
Okay. Who inaugurated the books, Bhakti?
Shri Swami Avdeshanand Giri Ji Maharaj.
Yes. How many English books we are having?
We are having 2 English books.
Yes. Which 2 books we are having, Samriddhi?
We are having English reader book and English course book.
Very good. And how many Hindi books we are having?
We have 2 Hindi books.
Which 2 Hindi books we are having, Akshay?
We are having 2 Hindi books.
Yes.
The name of 2 Hindi books are Hindi Patya Pustak, Hindi Vachan Pustak.
Yes, very good. Okay, now I'll ask something about maths, okay? Pav chokke?
1.
Okay, very good. आधा तिया?
1.5.
Okay, Bhakti. पौना का पहाड़ा बताओ.
पौने एकम पौना पौना दूनी दे पौने तिया सवा दो पौने चौके 3 पौने पंजे पौने 4 पौने छिक्के 4.5 पौने सत्ते सवा 5 पौने 8 6 पौने 9 पौने 7 पौने धाम 7.5
10 plus 20,
30
30 plus 40,
70
70 plus 30,
100
100 into 2.
200
Very good. 200 and 200.
400
Okay, 400 and 400.
800
Very good. 800 and 200.
1000
Very good. 1000 and 1000.
2000
Very good. Okay. Now, how long is giraffe's tongue?
Giraffe tongue is a half a meter long.
Okay, very good. Now, Samriddhi, you tell me, which is the smallest bird?
The smallest bird is hummingbird.
Very good. What is an ocean?
A large water body on the earth is ocean.
Okay, Bhakti, you know how many oceans are there? Yes, tell me how many oceans are there?
There are 5 oceans.
Okay, very good. Name the oceans. You know the name of all the oceans, all 5 oceans?
Pacific, Atlantic, Arctic, Antarctic, Indian.
Very good. Okay, now Dhawal, you tell me, what is a continent?
Very large area of land is called continent.
Very good. Yes, Ritika, how many continents are there?
There are 7 continents.
Very good. Siddhi, can you name the continents?
Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, Australia.
Excellent. Very good. Now I will say a sentence in English and you have to translate the same sentence in Hindi. Okay? मैं कल मुंबई जाऊंगा.
I will go to Mumbai tomorrow.
Okay. What is I?
Pronoun.
Very good. And Mumbai is?
Noun.
Very good. Okay. Now संज्ञा किसे कहते हैं?
किसी व्यक्ति, वस्तु, जाति, स्थान या भाव के नाम को संज्ञा कहते हैं.
मैं दिल्ली जा रहा हूँ. इसमें संज्ञा क्या है परीक्षित?
दिल्ली.
वेरी गुड. मोर नाचता है. संज्ञा क्या है इसमें?
मोर.
ओके, वेरी गुड. आई विल गो टू दिल्ली.
मैं दिल्ली जाऊंगा.
आई एम स्टैंडिंग हियर.
मैं इधर खड़ा हूँ.
वेरी गुड. तुम यहाँ आओ.
यू कम हियर.
तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो?
वेयर आर यू गोइंग?
ओके, वेरी गुड. मैं आज पढ़ाई कर रहा हूँ.
आई एम स्टडी टूडे.
ओके, वेरी गुड. मेरे एग्जाम खत्म हो चुके हैं.
माई एग्जाम आर फिनिश.
ओके, नाउ 2 sevens are?
14.
Very good. 14 and 10?
24.
Very good. 14 and 10, 24. 24 and 1?
25.
25 into 2?
50.
Okay. I will ask the numbers in Hindi. You will have to answer in English. And English, then you have to answer in Hindi. Okay? 56.
56.
Very good. 70?
70.
82.
82.
96.
96.
Very good. 51?
51.
Very good. 48?
48.
Okay, now I'll ask you opposites. Okay, you tell the opposite of the word I'm asking. Tall?
Short.
Very good. Good?
Bad.
Okay, I'll say a sentence. I am a good girl. So you have to change the sentence by using the opposite word.
I am a bad girl.
Very good. Up?
Down.
In?
Out.
Fat?
Thin.
Thin?
Thin. Fat.
This book is thick. Now change it.
This book is thin.
Very good. Now, he is a big boy.
He is a short boy.
Very good. Yes, now let us have composition. Okay? But before composition, now let us see what is going on in this class. Now, Samriddhi, can you tell me what is going on here?
We are doing LVF quiz. We are having a lot of fun doing it. And ma'am is asking questions very fast. And we are also giving the answers very quickly.
Yes, very good. Now, you tell me what she has told in English. You tell me in Hindi.
हम यहाँ पर LBF क्विज खेल रहे हैं. हमको मैम बहुत जल्दी सवाल पूछ रही है. हम भी बहुत जल्दी उत्तर दे रहे हैं.
Yes, very good, Pramukh. Acha. Now, who can speak few lines on pencil? Ritika, can you speak few lines on pencil?
It is used for writing. It is made in factories. It is made of lead and wood. Color pencil are used to coloring pictures. It comes in various color. It comes in various shapes. I write with Apsara pencil.
Very good, excellent. Now we'll take a composition. Now you speak few lines on my class teacher. Each one of you get a chance and speak one line on my class teacher. Okay? Come on, Siddhi, you start.
My class teacher's name is Mrs. Karnika Kotwani.
Yes, you say.
She teaches us all subjects.
Very good. Yes, Ritika.
She is very nice.
Yes. Bhakti.
She is very tall.
Okay. Yes, Pramukh, you.
She looks very beautiful.
Okay. Now, Savaduni.
Savaduni ढाई.
पाव चौके.
पाव चौके एक.
आधा चौके.
दो.
Very good. दो चौके.
दो चौके आठ.
आठ दूनी.
आठ दूनी 16.
Okay, you have been given LBF word meanings, no? Now those words are very helpful to you. Use them in your day-to-day life. Samriddhi, come here. Now write the word able. Okay, what is the meaning of the word? What is the meaning of the word able?
He is able to work hard.
Okay, very good. Okay, now I'll call somebody else to write a word. Okay, Ritika, come. Now write the word across. Okay, Ritika, very good. Now can you tell the meaning of this word across?
Yes, ma'am.
What's the meaning of this word across?
On the other side of.
Very good. Can you frame a sentence?
A goat went across a road.
Very good. Okay, children. Now all of you know number reading. I'm going to write a number on the board and you will come to read the number. Okay. Yes, Hardik, come here. Read this number in Garna Pranali.
इकाई दहाई सैकड़ा हजार 10,000 लाख 10 लाख करोड़ 10 करोड़ अरब 5 अरब 62 करोड़ 91 लाख 40,678.
Very good. Now Sankalp, come here. Now read the same number in International System of Numeration.
Unit times 100,000 10,000 100,000 million 10 million 100 million billion.
Now read the number.
9,140,678.
Very good. Now one of you come and write the number. I am saying a number and you have to write it. Okay. Now Dhaval, come here. Now write a number I am giving you. Okay. 6 करोड़ 5 लाख 35,000 316. वेरी गुड. नाउ अच्छा बच्चों, आपको नंबर रीडिंग सिखाइए ना. यू कैन राइट द नंबर इन गणना प्रणाली इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम. यू कैन रीड द नंबर, यू कैन राइट ऑल्सो एंड यू कैन चेक द नंबर ऑल्सो. नो, नाउ वन ऑफ यू कम हियर एंड राइट द नंबर. कम ऑन भक्ति, यू कम हियर. 85 करोड़ 13 लाख 24,516. Now check the number, Bhakti.
इकाई दहाई सैकड़ा हजार 10,000 लाख 10 लाख करोड़ 10 करोड़.
Now read this number.
85 करोड़ 13 लाख 24,516.
अब इस नंबर में कितने पीरियड्स हैं बताओ.
There are 4 periods.
Now, yes, Ritika, you come here. Now I'm writing a number. You read it in international form, okay?
Unit 100,000 10,000 100,000 million 10 million 100 million 120,658,924.
Very good, Ritika. So tell me how many periods are there in international system?
3.
Very good. Okay. Let us do reading. Come on, Smriti. Read this lesson 3.
Page number 5. Lesson number 3. Tina and Mimi. New words. Shared, weeds, carded, purchased, understand. Tina was a little girl. She had a pet. Her pet name was Nimi. She was a cute little lamb.
Very good, Samriddhi. Very good. Now you read.
Passed by enemies. Wool grew longer, but Tina's clothes were becoming shorter. One day, Tina shared the wool on Nemi.
Very good. Now you read, Krati.
One day, Tina set the wool on Nimi. When he taught this wool to her grandfather and said, "Her grandpa, I have cut from this wool from Nimi."
Okay, very good. Now let us do some Hindi reading, okay? You read this lesson, part 3.
पाठ 3 कर्तव्य। प्राचीन समय में एक राजा था। उनका नाम था शिवी। महाराज शिवी अपनी प्रजा का पुत्र की भांति लालन पालन करते थे।
Very good. Now you read, Akshat.
उनकी खुशियों का पूर्ण ध्यान रखते थे। अपनी प्रजा की भलाई के लिए उन्होंने एक यज्ञ करने का निश्चय किया। वे यज्ञ को सफल बनाने के कार्य में पूर्ण एकाग्रता से लिप्त थे।
Very good. Now you read, Hardik.
देवराज इंद्र और अग्नि देव ने उनके कर्तव्य की परीक्षा लेने का प्रण किया और इसके लिए उन्होंने अपना अपना स्वरूप बदला।
Yes, children. You all have done reading very nicely. Okay, children?
वैधानिक चेतावनी। श्री पुरुषोत्तम अग्रवाल लर्न बाय फन पद्धति लोगो और ट्रेडमार्क के एकमात्र मालिक हैं। सिर्फ उनके द्वारा अधिकृत व्यक्ति, संस्था और कंपनी ही इस लर्न बाय फन पद्धति लोगो और ट्रेडमार्क का उपयोग कर सकते हैं। अनाधिकृत रूप से उपयोग करना कानूनन दंडनीय अपराध है।
अब मैं एक्शन वर्ड्स पूछूंगी, आप सब एक्शन करेंगे? ओके, वेरी गुड। क्लैप योर हैंड्स। वेरी गुड। क्लोज योर आईज। ओपन योर आईज। जॉइन योर हैंड्स। हैंड्स डाउन। टैप योर फीट। Stop, stop, stop. Very good. Okay, now throw the ball. Catch the ball. Blow the balloon. Buzz the balloon. Very good. आप बहुत अच्छे से बोल रहे हैं। अब मुझे स्टोरी कौन सुनाएगा? प्रकृति, stand up. You know Thirsty Crow?
Therefore, the thirsty crow looked for water here and there. He found a pot with very little water. He put some pebbles in it. Walking up, he drank the water and flew away happily.
Very good. Clap for her. Okay. अब मुझे पेयर ऑफ गोट स्टोरी कौन सुनाएगा?
One day, two goats met in the middle of the narrow bridge. They both started fighting to cross the bridge. First, they were about to falling off an idea. First goat sat down and the other goat walked over his back. And they crossed the bridge same free. The moral of the story is never fight with each other.
Very good. Clap for her. Now, who is going to tell me the introduction? Introduction of parrot. You will tell, Disha? Okay.
I am parrot. I am green in color. My beach is black. I like to eat chili.
Very good. Clap for her.
LBF means learn by fun. लर्न बाय फन टेक्निक से हमारे बच्चे कितने स्मार्ट बने हैं, उनमें क्या चेंजेस आए हैं, आइए आज हम देखते हैं। तो मैं शुरू करती हूँ LBF क्विज से। आई विल आस्क सम जनरल क्वेश्चंस अबाउट LBF। व्हाट इज LBF?
LBF is step-by-step Brilliancy Development Program.
Very good. LBF is step by step brilliancy development program. What is the meaning of brilliancy?
Intelligent.
Intelligent. Yes, intelligent. Yes, anybody else?
Smart.
Smart. So we want to see today how much you have become smart. Okay, so answer smartly for all questions. You all are reading LBF publication books? Yes, ma'am. How many books of LBF publication have inaugurated? Yes.
There are 143 books have inaugurated.
Very good. किसने inauguration किया था books का?
स्वामी अवधेशानंद जी.
स्वामी अवधेशानंद जी ने कहाँ किया था?
अभय प्रशाल.
अभय प्रशाल. कब किया था?
22nd April 2007.
Okay, very good. 22nd April 2007. Who is the author of LBF books?
श्री पुरुषोत्तम जी अग्रवाल.
Purushottam ji Agrawal. Okay, how many subjects are there in LBF? Yes.
English, Hindi, Maths,
English.
EVS, GK,
Very good.
Drawing, Toddler.
Drawing toddler. Okay, very good. Now, what is the full name of toddler training? Toddler training book.
Fun book.
Fun book. It is toddler training fun book. Okay, now let's start with quiz. Tell me, who is the largest land animal?
Elephant.
Elephant. Now tell me the name of smallest bird.
Hummingbird.
Hummingbird. Very good. Now tell me, how many players are there in a cricket team?
There are 11 players in the cricket team.
There are 11 players in a cricket team. Can you tell me, just recently, who is the captain of Indian cricket team?
Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Presently, he is the captain of our Indian cricket team. Okay, now tell me, can you spell the word believe? Who can spell the word believe? Stand up and spell the word believe.
Believe.
Very good. Believe. What is the meaning of believe?
Trust.
Trust. Believe means trust. Now, who can give the spelling of word allow? Yes?
ALLOW.
Yes, ALLOW. Allow means
Permit.
permit. Can you make sentence with allow? Who can make sentence with allow?
Please allow me to go to play.
Please allow me to go to play. Okay, now tell me some opposites. Okay, now be fast for opposites. Okay, hot,
Cold.
cold, day,
Night.
night. Very good. Up,
Down.
down. Now, visible.
Invisible.
Now tell me some more opposites. In,
Out.
out. Okay, now come to हिंदी. हिंदी वर्णमाला में कितने वर्ण होते हैं?
वर्णमाला में 52 वर्ण होते हैं.
वेरी गुड. वर्णमाला में कितने स्वर होते हैं?
वर्णमाला है.
वर्णमाला में 13 स्वर होते हैं. स्वर कौन कौन से होते हैं? कौन बोल सकता है स्वर?
आ ई ई उ ऊ री ए आई ओ औ अंग आ.
वेरी गुड. वर्णमाला में व्यंजन कितने होते हैं?
वर्णमाला में कुल व्यंजन 39 होते हैं.
वर्णमाला में 39 व्यंजन होते हैं. व्यंजन कौन बोल सकता है?
क ख ग घ अंग च छ ज ज य ट ठ ड ढ ण त थ द ध न प फ ब भ म य र ल व श ष स ह श त्र ज्ञ ष ण ढ.
वेरी गुड. तो वर्णमाला में 39 व्यंजन होते हैं. संयुक्त व्यंजन कौन से होते हैं? शत्रज्ञ. अच्छा, अब मुझे बताइए 12 खड़ी में कितनी मात्राएं होती हैं?
12 खड़ी में 12 मात्राएं होती है.
वेरी गुड. 12 खड़ी में 12 मात्राएं होती हैं. म की 12 खड़ी कौन बोल के बताएगा?
मम्मा, मिमी, मोमो, मेमाई, मोमाओ, मंग महा।
वेरी गुड। प की 12 कड़ी कौन बोल के बताएगा?
पप्पा, पिप्पी, पुप्पू, पिप्पाए, पोपाओ, पंगपहा।
वेरी गुड। नाउ हिंदी के महीनों के नाम कौन बताएगा? यस।
चैत्र, विशाख, ज्येष्ठ, आषाढ़, श्रावण, भाद्रपद, अश्विन, कार्तिक, मार्गशीर्ष, पौष, माघ, फाल्गुन।
वेरी गुड। अब इंग्लिश महीनों के नाम कौन बताएगा? द नेम ऑफ इंग्लिश मंथ्स।
जनवरी, फेब्रुअरी, मार्च, अप्रैल, मई, जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर।
वेरी गुड। नाउ टेल मी 2 + 2?
4,
4। 4 इन हिंदी?
4,
4। 4 और 3?
7,
7 और 2?
9,
9 और 1?
10,
10। 10 और 5?
15,
15। 15 दूनी?
30,
30। 30 और 2? 30 और 2?
32,
32। 32 में से 2 गए?
30,
30। 30 में से 10 गए?
20,
20 में से 3 गए?
17,
17। 17 में 3 जोड़े?
20,
20। ओके। नाउ टेल मी 20 में से 10 गए?
10,
10। 10 तिया?
30,
30। नाउ हु कैन टेल मी 4 की जोड़ तालिका कौन बोल के बताएगा? यस।
4 और 1 5, 4 और 2 6, 4 और 3 7, 4 और 4 8, 4 और 5 9, 4 और 6 10, 4 और 7 11, 4 और 8 12, 4 और 9 13, 4 और 10 14।
ओके, वेरी गुड। 8 की जोड़ तालिका कौन बोलेगा?
8 और 1 9, 8 और 2 10, 8 और 3 11, 8 और 4 12, 8 और 5 13, 8 और 6 14, 8 और 7 15, 8 और 8 16, 8 और 9 17, 8 और 10 18।
Very good. Now I will ask you some words in English and you will answer in Hindi और in the vice versa. मैं आपको हिंदी में पूछूंगी और आपको उसका इंग्लिश बताना है. Okay. WHAT what means?
क्या?
क्या? Okay. और कैसे को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलेंगे?
How?
How. Very good. कहाँ को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलेंगे?
Where?
Can you make any sentence with where?
Where are you going?
Where are you going? इसको कौन हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करेगा? Where are you going?
तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो?
वेरी गुड. तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? अब मुझे बताइए आप वैन का हिंदी क्या होगा?
कब?
कब. कैन यू मेक एनी सेंटेंस विथ वैन?
When you will go?
When you will go. Okay. Now tell me हमको इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं?
We.
We. Can you make any sentence with we?
We are going to London.
Very good. We are going to London. Can anybody translate it in Hindi? Yes.
हम लंदन जा रहे हैं.
हम लंदन जा रहे हैं. Okay. Now I will give you some more sentences in English and you will translate it in Hindi. Okay. We are reading Hindi books.
हम हिंदी किताब पढ़ रहे हैं.
हम हिंदी किताब पढ़ रहे हैं. वेरी गुड. अच्छा, अब मुझे बताइए भारतीय गणना प्रणाली की टेबल कौन बोल सकता है?
इकाई, दहाई, सैकड़ा, हजार, 10,000 लाख, 10 लाख करोड़, 10 करोड़ अरब, 10 अरब खरब, 10 खरब नील, 10 नील पदम, 10 पदम शंख, दक्षम महाशंख.
वेरी गुड. नाउ इंटरनेशनल नंबर सिस्टम कौन बता सकता है? यस.
यूनिट, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion, trillion, 10 trillion, 100 trillion, quadrillion, 10 quadrillion, 100 quadrillion, quintillion, 10 quintillion, 100 quintillion.
वेरी गुड. पौना का पहाड़ा कौन बोलेगा हिंदी में?
पौना एकम पौना, पौना दूनी डेढ़, पौना तिया सवा दो, पौने चौके 3, पौने पंजे पौने 4, पौने छक्के 4.5, पौने सत्ते सवा 5, पौने अट्ठे 6, पौना नम्मा पौने 7, पौना धाम 7.5.
Very good. Now I will ask you some numbers in English and then you will answer me in Hindi. Similarly, I will ask in Hindi and you have to answer in English. Okay. 84 in Hindi.
84.
Very good. 42 in Hindi.
42.
Okay. 54 in Hindi.
54.
54. 36 in Hindi.
36.
36. Now, 42 in English.
42.
42. 56 in English.
56.
Okay. Now tell me 74 in English.
74.
36 in Hindi.
36.
36. So all of you be ready. Now I will ask you all one by one the multiple questions, means Hindi to English and English to Hindi. Okay. 34.
34.
42.
42.
56.
56.
526.
526.
Very good. Okay. 824.
824.
Very good. 932.
932.
932. Okay. Now tell me 6,500.
6500.
6,500. 9,300.
9300.
Very good. Let's have composition and Rachnatmak Lekhan. One by one, I want you speak on some animals in English and in Hindi. Okay. On which animal you can speak?
Tiger.
Tiger. Okay. Speak some sentences on tiger.
Tiger is a wild animal. It has 4 legs, 2 eyes, 2 sharp ears and 1 tail.
Very good.
It lives in jungle. It eats flesh of animal.
Yes.
It has black stripes on his body. It is a national animal.
Very good.
Thank you.
Okay. Now you can speak on which animal?
Cat. Cat is a pet animal. It has 4 legs, 2 bright eyes, 2 ears and 1 long tail. It eats rats and drink milk. It lives in houses.
Very good.
It can climb on tree.
Yes. Anything else? Okay. Cat, who can speak on Hindi? बिल्ली पे कौन बोल सकता है 5 वाक्य?
बिल्ली एक पालतू पशु है. उसके 4 पैर, 2 आंखें, 2 कान और 1 पूंछ होती है.
Yes. और?
यह घरों में रहती है.
Very good.
यह चूहे खाती है और दूध पीती है. यह पेड़ पर चढ़ती है. ये अनेक रंगों में आती है. Thank you.
Okay. Yes. Now you can speak on which animal?
Rhinoceros.
Okay.
Rhinoceros is a wild animal. It has 4 legs, 2 eyes, 2 ears, 2 horns and 1 tail. It lives in jungle.
Yes.
It has a horn on its nose.
Very good. Anything else?
It is very heavy.
Yes. Very good. Now, who can speak on lion?
Lion is a wild animal. It has 4 legs, 2 eyes, 2 ears and a tail. It lives in jungle. It eats flesh of animals. It is called king of the jungle.
Okay. तो शेर पे हिंदी में कौन बोल सकता है?
शेर एक जंगली पशु है. इसके 4 पैर, 2 आंखें, 2 कान और 1 पूंछ होती है. यह जंगल में रहता है. यह जंगली पशु का मांस खाता है. यह जंगल का राजा कहलाता है.
Okay.
वैधानिक चेतावनी. श्री पुरुषोत्तम अग्रवाल लर्न बाय फन पद्धति लोगो और ट्रेडमार्क के एकमात्र मालिक हैं. सिर्फ उनके द्वारा अधिकृत व्यक्ति, संस्था और कंपनी ही इस लर्न बाय फन पद्धति लोगो और ट्रेडमार्क का उपयोग कर सकते हैं. अनाधिकृत रूप से उपयोग करना कानूनन दंडनीय अपराध है.
Good afternoon, girls.
आज हम इस कक्षा में आपकी तात्कालिक भाषण की प्रतियोगिता आयोजित करेंगे। जिन विषयों पर आपको बोलना है उन्हें हमने चिट्स में लिख के इस बाउल में रखा है। एक एक लड़की आएगी, चिट उठाएगी, चिट में लिखे हुए विषय को पढ़ेगी और 1 मिनट की समय सीमा में उस विषय पर सोचेगी। सोचने के बाद आपको माइक के ऊपर जाकर अपने विचार व्यक्त करने हैं।
मैं मेघा चावला LBF छात्रा आपके समक्ष तात्कालिक भाषण प्रतियोगिता में आपको पर्यावरण के बारे में कुछ बताना चाहूँगी। प्रकृति के आवरण को पर्यावरण कहते हैं, अर्थात जो आवरण हमें घेरा हुआ है उसे पर्यावरण कहते हैं। इसके अंतर्गत 2 घटक हैं, सजीव घटक व अजीव घटक। सजीव घटक जीवित वस्तुओं को सजीव घटक कहा जाता है, जैसे जीव जंतु, मानव आदि। अजीव घटक निर्जीवित वस्तुओं को अजीव घटक कहा जाता है, जैसे टेबल, रेडियो, कैमरा आदि। इसी पर्यावरण को हम दूषित कर रहे हैं, उसे प्रदूषण कहते हैं। धन्यवाद। आदरणीय गुरुजनों एवं मेरे सहपाठियों, आप सभी को मेरा सादर नमस्कार। आज मैं तात्कालिक भाषण प्रतियोगिता में अपने दूरभाष के माध्यम विषय पर अपने विचार प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। प्राचीन काल में एक स्थान से दूसरे स्थान तक समाचार पहुँचाने में कई दिन लग जाते थे। तब समाचार यात्रियों द्वारा ही पहुँचाए जाते थे। राजा महाराजाओं के निजी संदेहवाहक होते थे। शीघ्र ही समाचार पहुंचाने के लिए घोड़ों का उपयोग किया जाने लगा और उसके बाद कबूतरों द्वारा संदेश भेजे जाते थे। आज ऐसी स्थिति नहीं है। आज दुनिया के संसार के किसी भी कोने में कोई भी घटना घटती है तो लोगों को उसकी जानकारी आसानी से रेडियो, टेलीफोन, टेलीविज़न आदि के माध्यम से मिल जाती है। रेडियो द्वारा हमें बहुत शीघ्र ही समाचार मिल पाते हैं। टेलीफोन द्वारा संक्षेप में ही अपने विचारों का आदान प्रदान हो पाता है और टेलीविज़न पर हम घटनाओं को सिर्फ सुन ही नहीं देख भी सकते हैं। दूरभाष के माध्यमों का आधुनिक जीवन में बहुत महत्व है और दूरभाष के माध्यमों ने इस दुनिया को संक्षिप्त बना दिया है। धन्यवाद।
Good afternoon, girls. So today I have thought that we can have a competition. To be more precise, a debate competition. Would you like that? Yes, ma'am. Yes. So I have chosen one topic for you which is really very interesting. The topic is luck or pluck. A topic which is relevant for any time, any day, for any person. Let us start with the debate competition. So I would call first Revati to speak in favor of the motion. Revati, come and introduce yourself.
Respected ma'am and all my dear friends, good afternoon to everyone. My name is Revati Rokre and I am an LBF student. Today I am here to speak in the favor of the motion. If God has sent us on this earth, then obviously He has thought of something for us and everything is pre-planned. Before hard work, luck is given priority. We often hear people saying that it is our bad luck after they fail in achieving their goals. That means they also believe in their luck. Can you think of a reason why do people pray to God before starting any of their work? It is because they fear that if their hard work doesn't work, then maybe their luck works and some miracle occurs and to save them in that condition. Many great personalities are on such a great heights due to their luck, not only because of their hard work. A well-known singer, Lata Mangeshkar, herself said, God sent people for some purpose. Whatever I did and achieved is due to God's grace. I would like to tell you a real incident about a scientist. Initially, he was very poor. Once, he was working on one of his projects, but he was missing somewhere in it. He grew anxious that after working so hard and for such a long time, no fruitful outcome is there. In a great distress, he threw a piece of magnet on the system on which he was working upon, and suddenly the circuit started. And this was Michael Faraday. In this way, he discovered magnetic induction. At last, I would like to say that luck is far more important than hard work. Your hard work is useless until and unless your luck favors it. Thank you and have a nice day.
Respected ma'am and all my dear friends, good afternoon to one and all. Today
I'm Astha Khurana. I'm here to say against the topic luck or pluck. I am an LBF student. Hard work is the key to success. My dear friends, I would like to put a great effort on the point that pluck matters a lot more than being lucky in our lives. It is what gives us confidence. It is that essential component of our character which is very responsible in making our life successful. Some great philosophers have said truly that if God has written our destinies in our hands, He is the only one who has given us the power to change them. And that is why our courage, willpower, and hard work often overcomes even the great power of the mighty stars. I would like to say that action speaks louder than words. I do not believe that God or any other divine power can be the controller of anybody's action. Now, I would like to ask a question to you all. That did Edison waited for God to show him how to discover an electric bulb? Or he went to a predator to tell what to do? No. Then what was it? It was his hard work, and it is the fruitful result of his hard work only that today we are enjoying the results of electricity. Is it not a true example that how important hard work is to be successful in our lives? Hard work never remains unrewarded. At last, I would like to conclude by saying that the harder you work, the luckier you get. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, sir. Oh, of course, we are here to participate in an extempore competition. You will be given a topic now, and you will be given 2 minutes time for the preparation. Clear? You will be given 2 minutes time for the preparation, and after that, you have to talk on the given topic at the mic. Are you all ready for that? Yes, sir. When you come up, you will be taking out the chits from this bowl, and on that topic you have to talk. Clear? And in LBF we are learning all these things. Yes, okay. And you have got a special class for special portion in LBF. Extempore portion is there. Yes or no? Yes, sir. Yes. That is what we are going to practice here. Are you all confident enough? Yes, sir. Okay, well, very good. Yes. Now here start the extempore competition.
A very glorious good morning to one and all. Myself Pradyot Dalge, an LBF student of class 7th A. Today I am going to present my views on the extempore topic, effect of noise pollution on studies. First of all, let us know what is the noise. There is a unit of measuring sound known as decibel. If the sound crosses the limit of 120 decibel, then it is known as noise. And if the person is unable to bear the noise, then it is known as noise pollution. There are many problems due to noise pollution. First, we get irritated. It disturbs the peace of our mind. We lose our concentration. And when our hearing power is affected, obviously it will affect our studies. It is said that an healthy mind lives in a healthy body. And if the mind would not be healthy, then obviously it will affect our studies. There are some more problems due to noise pollution. First, in hospitals and in schools. As we all know, our country is the country of festivals. And there are many noise polluting festivals in our country. For example, Diwali, Holi, Dashera, and etc. When this noise polluting festivals comes during our examination, so it affects our studies and we are not able to pay proper attention on our studies and our result is not coming good. So at last, I want to say that the noise pollution should be stopped by making a good silencer of bikes such as Yamaha bikes, because these bikes are very noise polluting bikes. And at last, I want to say that the noise pollution should be stopped in any way. Have you heard the name of Mahatma Gandhi? Of course, we all know. The name of Mahatma Gandhi is on the lips of everybody. Mahatma Gandhi was the greatest man, not only of India, but of the whole world also. He is our father of nation. People generally call him as Bapu. Mahatma Gandhi was born at Porbandar in Gujarat in the year of 1869 on 2nd October. His father, Karamchand Gandhi, was the Diwan of Rajkot, and his mother, Putli Bai, was the noble and a pious lady. At the age of 7, he was sent first time to the school, where he proved himself as an average boy. He was always regular and punctual in his class. After passing matriculation examination, he went to the college. Then he went to England to practice law. After coming back India, he joined the Congress. Soon he became its leader. Under his leadership, the Congress started non-violence and non-cooperation movements to oppose the unjust acts of British government. Gandhiji was a great teacher, preacher, thinker and a soldier. Mahatma Gandhi always followed 3 rules. First, we should never tell lie. Second, we should always follow the path of ahimsa. And third, live and let others live. So, at last, I want to say that Gandhiji and Gandhigiri will never die. Jai Hind.
Good morning, one and all. I am Jyotish Patidar of class 6th A. I am an LBF student. I want to express my views on patriotism. Patriotism means a deep love for one's own country. It is found in all countrymen. It is essential to preserve the unity and integrity of the country. Patriotism gives a person courage to face all odds for the betterment of his country. The spirit of a patriotism can be infused in a person by national symbol, patriotic song, speeches, etc. The ornament of a patriotism was very dear to all our freedom fighters. This devil made them stand firm like mountain before the British Raj and demand independence for our countrymen. A person loyal to the country can play all the roles very effectively and gain recognition everywhere. Nowadays, this spirit of patriotism is lacking and it is noticed only on Republic Day and Independence Day. Thank you. Jai Hind.
साथ ही लर्न बाय फन के नाम से ट्रेडमार्क का विधिवत रजिस्ट्रेशन कराया है। लर्न बाय फन के लोगों का रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर A74131/2005 दिनांक 8 अगस्त 2005 के तहत कॉपीराइट है। भारत सरकार के डिप्टी रजिस्ट्रार ऑफ कॉपीराइट्स ने लर्न बाय फन को लिटरेरी कॉपीराइट भी प्रदान किया है। इसका रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर L24401/2005 दिनांक 19 मई 2005 है। लर्न बाय फन ट्रेडमार्क नंबर 1326016 दिनांक 15 दिसंबर 2004 के अंतर्गत रजिस्टर्ड है। वैधानिक चेतावनी। श्री पुरुषोत्तम अग्रवाल लर्न बाय फन पद्धति, लोगो और ट्रेडमार्क के एकमात्र मालिक हैं। सिर्फ उनके द्वारा अधिकृत व्यक्ति, संस्था और कंपनी ही इस लर्न बाय फन पद्धति, लोगो और ट्रेडमार्क का उपयोग कर सकते हैं। अनाधिकृत रूप से उपयोग करना कानूनन दंडनीय अपराध है। लर्न बाय फन के बारे में अधिक जानकारी के लिए संपर्क करें अग्रवाल हाउस, 5 यशवंत कॉलोनी, इंदौर। फोन नंबर 0731408008। ईमेल एड्रेस है info@lbf.in।